Hello! So during the time of COVID and our face covering regulations now, I thought it might be helpful to show you the two ways that you can use the multifunctional head and neckwear to create a face covering of your own. So the most simplest way, as I'm sure you can imagine, is to simply take the headwear and pop it over your head and around your neck, and I'm sure you'll have figured this out already, but just pull it up over your nose. Now you can wear it like this, but in order to keep it a bit more secure and a bit more in place, what you can do is take it up around the chin and then start to tuck it in the back, and that just creates a nice tighter fit around the nose and the mouth area. Just adjust it as you need and twist that a wee bit more. So there we go. Another way to make a face covering is to take one of my multifunctional headwear tubes, and you need two bobbles or two elastic bands. So if you take the headwear and lay it out flat, and then what you want to do is fold it in half, then popping an elastic band or bobble round each end. Okay, and then you fold it in, keeping the elastic band. We've got the help of Millie here investigating what I'm doing. She has a real thing for elastic bands. So you fold both sides in, and you just want to tuck the ends in together like that, so you have a face covering there. So as you hold it up, the middle pieces will lie flat against your nose, and that will hold it in place. So this is the face covering that we've just made, and you just lay it against your nose, pop the bands around your ears, and voila, just as appropriate a face covering that you can use when you go into the shops. Stay safe, everyone.